Welcome to one of the most secure locations on the planet. This is the fortress where Canada's national trust is physically forged into every banknote. Beyond these massive steel doors lies a world of precision and secrecy, where advanced technology and art meet to create a global financial masterpiece. Look closely at the $20 bill. Every ridge and line is a carefully engineered feature designed to withstand the test of time and crime. Watch as the light dances across these surfaces, or revealing shimmering effects that are impossible to replicate with any ordinary commercial printing press or scanner. High-speed conveyors carry thousands of fresh notes, creating a rhythmic pulse of productivity inside this highly regulated and monitored industrial environment. Today, we explore the incredible journey of transforming raw polymer beads into the iconic financial symbols that drive the entire economy of the Great White North. In 2011, Canada revolutionized its currency by moving away from traditional paper to a high-tech polymer base that redefined durability and security forever. This specialized material is the foundation of the modern dollar, chosen for its incredible strength and its ability to host advanced security features. At a molecular level, this polymer is engineered to be non-porous, making it waterproof, dirt-resistant, and significantly harder to tear than any cotton-based paper. Because it doesn't absorb liquids, these notes stay clean and functional even after accidental washes, lasting up to 3 times longer than old currency. This durability is the first line of defense against physical wear, ensuring that the currency remains in circulation without needing frequent and costly replacements. Every roll of material undergoes rigorous testing to ensure it meets the strict technical specifications required for the high-pressure printing stages that follow. These polymer sheets are now ready to enter the heart of the facility, where massive machines wait to apply the first layers of complex imagery. This is the heart of the operation, where massive industrial presses apply specialized inks with a level of precision measured in the thousandths of millimeters. The first pass involves high-speed offset printing, which lays down the complex background patterns that give each denomination its distinct color and character. Technology at the nanoscale is used to create microprinting that is so small, it can only be read under a microscope, baffling potential counterfeiters. Next comes the intaglio process, where enormous pressure is used to force thick, specialized ink into the polymer, creating a unique 3-dimensional texture. You can actually feel the ink on your fingertips. This tactile feature is not just for security. It also helps the visually impaired identify denominations. The pressure required for this stage is equivalent to the weight of several elephants, ensuring the ink is permanently bonded to the polymer substrate. The ink itself is a secret chemical cocktail, designed to dry instantly and resist fading even after years of heavy use in the public hand. Each color is applied in a separate pass with perfect registration, meaning the images never overlap or blur, resulting in a razor-sharp finish every time. The portraits are the most difficult part to replicate. Every line and shadow is etched with artistic mastery and printed with absolute mechanical consistency. These fine line patterns create a moire effect that causes digital scanners to produce errors, preventing high-quality copies from being made by home equipment. As the sheets exit the press, the transformation is nearly complete. The polymer has been infused with the artistry and security of the Canadian state. We now enter the optical security phase, where science meets currency to create a maze of visual traps for anyone attempting to forge these notes. The holographic strip is a marvel of engineering, containing multiple layers of light diffracting structures that change appearance based on the viewing angle. These color-shifting inks are made with microscopic flakes that reflect light differently, providing a clear visual cue that is easy for anyone to verify. The dynamic nature of these images means they cannot be captured by a photograph or a traditional printer, making them a primary security feature. Under ultraviolet light, the currency reveals a hidden world. Inks that are invisible to the naked eye suddenly glow with vibrant neon intensity. The serial numbers and specific hidden graphics become beacons of authenticity, allowing banks and retailers to quickly confirm the note's legitimacy in seconds. These hidden markers are scattered throughout the design, creating a multi-layered defense that would take a criminal organization years to even attempt to decode. Perhaps the most striking feature is the transparent window. This clear section is a signature of polymer technology, a gap that paper simply cannot replicate. Inside this window sits a micrometallic portrait. It is so small and detailed that it requires specialized laser etching technology available only to national mints. When a point source of light, like a laser, is directed through the window, it interacts with hidden features to project a specific number.
On the red spectrum.
This hidden projection is an
right
ultimate test of authenticity,
Adjusting the
a
gain
secret
now.
hidden in plain sight that utilizes the complex physics of light diffraction. By combining physics, chemistry, and high art, Canada has created a currency that is among the most difficult to counterfeit in the entire world. Constant innovation in these labs ensures that the Bank of Canada stays one step ahead of counterfeiters, protecting the value of every citizen's money. Once printed, every single note must face the ultimate judge, a state-of-the-art automated inspection system that accepts nothing less than absolute perfection. Massive sheets of currency fly through scanners that take high-resolution images of both sides simultaneously, checking for even the smallest deviations in color. The AI-driven cameras can process thousands of data points per millisecond, detecting microscopic ink splatters or slight misalignments that a human eye might miss. Real-time software monitors the production line, providing an instant digital audit of every sheet to ensure the highest standards of the Canadian Bank. If even one note on a sheet is flawed, the entire sheet is tracked for removal, ensuring that no imperfect currency ever leaves the facility. After passing inspection, the sheets are moved to the cutting station, where diamond-tipped blades slice through the polymer with the accuracy of a surgeon. The cutting process separates the large sheets into individual notes, each one perfectly sized and ready for its role in the national economy. Unlike paper money, polymer edges are clean and don't fray. Easy seasoning, which prevents the buildup of bacteria and keeps the money looking new for years. E for the rejects. Any material that fails the test is immediately sequestered to prevent it from ever being misused. The flawed sheets are shredded into tiny confetti under the watchful eye of security cameras, ensuring that every scrap of currency is accounted for. These scraps are then recycled into other plastic products, making the production process of the Canadian dollar not only secure but also environmentally responsible. Final quality checks are performed by senior experts, adding a layer of human oversight to the precision of the machines before the money is packed. The transition from a manufacturing plant to a financial asset is now complete, as the notes are prepared for their journey across the country. The money is vacuum sealed in thick or tamper-evident plastic, protecting it from moisture and ensuring the bundles remain intact during heavy transit. Each bundle is assigned a digital identity, allowing the central bank to track the movement of every dollar from the factory to the vault. Millions of dollars sit in these reinforced cages, waiting in silence within a fortress that is protected by some of the world's most advanced security. Logistics within the facility are handled with extreme caution, as every pallet is moved through multiple layers of biometric and physical security gates.
Perfect, thank you.
Outside, the transport begins. Heavily armored vehicles arrive to carry the newly minted wealth to regional distribution centers across the vast Canadian landscape. Under the watchful eyes of armed security and constant surveillance, the currency begins its life in the hands of the Canadian public. The next time you hold a Canadian dollar, remember the journey it took from raw polymer beads to the most advanced technology in your pocket. It is a symbol of the nation's innovation, a piece of art that facilitates every transaction and represents the strength of the Canadian economy. The Canadian dollar, a masterpiece of security and a testament to national pride. Thank you for joining us on this incredible journey of creation.